Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hands. This is a rice warmers, commercial rice warmer. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. Left to the right, the limbs, they are about like a 19 inches long. Front to the behinds, they are about like a 15 inches deep. And the overall hands, they are about like a 15 inches tall. So as we can see the units, they do have a water tank on the side to holding all the leaking waters on the side, and also have a lights indicator lights on top of it. And they do come in the ETL sanitation sticker on the side. So the units using the standard 110 plugs. We can take a look closer to see the inner port dimensions. These units have a handle on the side. You can just pull it up, straight up the units. When we open the lids, we can see they have a big port right here. The diameters for the inner side is about like a 12.5 inches deep. And the overall height, it's about like a 10.5 inches tall. From the manufacturers, they offer you a spoon. And this inner the post, you can just simple to remove it and clean those. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.